What's up, YouTube? I just got these in the mail. But you guys know I'm building a PC that is a budget PC, and I just got these in the mail. These are the Fury HyperX by Kingston. This is the 1866 megahertz version. RAM, 2 4GB kits, equaling out to 8 gigabytes. I'm going to be putting these in my PC, yeah, these are going to be running it. I've heard a lot of good reviews about these. They're pretty affordable and they look great inside the case. They also go with my color theme. There's not really much else to this, but you can take a look at them just on the package, unopened. It's not anything really much else to look at. So I guess that's it. I'm using the Fury HyperX RAM for my computer, 8GB kit, really affordable. You can buy them online, Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these. As far as that, I guess that's it with this my video. So this has been Kaiangel 7, and you guys take care. Remember to leave a comment, subscribe, or like this video as well. Alright guys, take care.